What is going on, gamers? It's been a fucking while, hasn't it? Yeah, but the 3 people who actually watch my dumpster fire YouTube videos are going to get to see my beautiful face and my beautiful plays again. We are playing in the PBAL, as you can see, against Godbear and his, I should say, Chicago Falinks, which is probably the worst matchup I've ever seen in my entire draft career. But we move. I have one game plan. Lead Tinkerbell, webs, and fucking send it. This is a matchup where, like, everything beats the living shit out of each other. Like, Staraptor has no switch-ins, neither has Manaphy, neither has Regidrago, which can open Terra, by the way. I'm expecting Regidrago Fire, and yeah, you see the mons, you see the items. I'll have the rosters in the description, probably in case you're actually interested in the lore of the league. But yeah, here we go. Good luck, have fun. This is gonna... I can smell... I can smell a 6-0 coming, like in one or the other direction. Probably my direction. But yeah, Ogapon, I'm honestly surprised they brought Monkey Dory. I'm so washed, I couldn't even fucking write down my things. You won't find a plate cleaner than me. Ogapon. And they also brought the CGI, which I did not prep for whatsoever. Great friend. The Monkey Dory. Okay, so Frisks our Focus Sash. So, what do we do here? I mean, Sludge brings us down to Sash. I'm tempted to just Stun Spore. I am tempted to just Stun Spore. And I think I will just Stun Spore. Hope we land the fucking move. And then Sticky Web. Shadow Ball. We land the Stun Spore, that is great. Okay, Monkey Dory is paralyzed. And now we webs. And hope it kills us with this next move. Alright, webs up. Monkey Dory is paralyzed. Shadow Ball again. We live this, actually. I might just save you. I might just U-turn here, get some chip on you. And Jesus Christ, the Switch is such a bad console. Like, the lag we are observing is dumb. Should not be happening. Alright, so we get the chip on... Gee, that's a lot of chip. Oh, that's a crit. Never mind. Okay. And I feel like just... Yeah. Corviknight, probably. Corviknight is, I think, just the play. Yeah, we take nothing from any attack. So Corv is... If any of you get any of my references, I'm very proud of you. Because they are very obscure. Another Shadow Ball. Is this thing Choice Scarf? Because it's not Specs. That much is obvious. We could kill it right here. And then Ogapon comes in and murders us. I think it should live one Brave Bird, and then we roost. Okay. Draws. Out comes once well trained. The Decidueye. What? The Decidueye? I mean, I'll take it. Recoil. It has a Pinch Berry. E-Berry boosts defense. I have never seen that in my life. Jesus Christ. Berry. Eaten. Okay, let's calc this. CGI. Level 50. Probably Overgrow. Another Brave Bird won't kill you now, because your defense boost. Hey, that is a shot, actually. I might just do it. I might just click Brave Bird here. I might just click Brave Bird here. How much time do we have? Time. We out here having time. Cannon, you can't outspeed. I'm just gonna click Brave Bird again. We kill. Okay, that's good. That is fucking great. No defog. Webs up to stay. Corviknight getting the first kill of the season for the ACCELGORS. Paldea champion. That is you. What do you want to do to me? No, honestly, what do you want to do to me? Probably prevent the roost. How much does body press do to you? Not much. I'm probably gonna go for it still. I get the body press. That is fully fist death, as I expected. Out come the stealth rocks. Okay, that's a problem. That is a problem. We see leftovers on you. And stealth rock. So I'm gonna say that I'm gonna go out on a whim and say that you can't touch me. I didn't get to write down the entire team, so I probably should do that. If I know, I can't find it. I actually can't find it. I'm that much of a 5-head. Okay, I'm just clicking body press again. Like, I can't remember if I saw G-Zap or not. Payback! Okay. Payback. It's just the standard. Then I think I will roost now, because I can still catch the Ogre-pon off guard. If you Earthquake now, good play. But I think I will just roost. Now, good play. Good play. Good play. Very good play on his part. I think I saved this though. I save this and go out into my updog here. Because this also can't touch it, and if we get up rocks, it's straight up maybe already game over. Depending on how many monster raptor can straight up annihilate. I have no U-turn on this Corviknight, unfortunately. So... Alright. Let's see this. Never used Lando T in draft. My first time for this. Intimidate. Withdraws. What comes out here? Cooley, the rank man. Oh, goodness gracious. Oh, God. Here we go. Here we go. Here we fucking go. Wait, did we see the... Did we see the sticky web go off? Check target. What are the last mons he has? Mukpos, Manaphy, and... Okay, I got down everything else. Did we see the... Did we see the sticky web go off? We did see the sticky web go off. So we know we're faster than you. Which is good to know. In this case, I think I will probably just Earthquake to get you in range of Staraptor. There goes the Earthquake. I just want to get you out of Dragon energy. Dragon Dance is up. That's fine. That is fine. That is fine. That is fine. That is fine. We have quick attack. We outspeed you once more. We outspeed you once more because sticky webs are broken. And we outspeed you because sticky webs. And oh god, what? Wait, what? Am I that dumb? Am I that dumb or is this boots? Like, am I genuinely that stupid? I'm so confused. Alright, hold on. Just saying. Trigger still outspeeds you. For sure, even if sticky webs are not up. And a Brave Bird smokes you. So I think it's time for it's time for the man. It is time for the man. Alright. Let's activate Terra Flying. Let's say you're Resist Terra. Let's say you're Terra Steel. We still kill you with Brave Bird if you have little defense investment. Alright. Terra Flying Brave Bird. Let's see. My first time, oh my god, I'm getting to press the nuke. I'm so happy. Alright, let's see. Kinda lost Lando there for no reason. Because I didn't pay attention to the webs. I need to stop doing that. Alright, there comes a Terra. The Ice Fang on this. And Dragon Dance. Out comes the Terra as well. Let's see. What do you Terra into? Terra Electric. I was expecting Terra Fire. Terra Electric is also good though. Please kill this. Trigger, I beg you. You are the GOAT. You are... Oh my god. I love this Pokemon. I love the Raptor so much. Okay. KO'd by Raptor. Alright, let's see this. What do you do here? Monkidori dies. Ogapon dies. Decidueye is already dead. Tinglu is dead from this range, and Manaphy doesn't live, I think. Okay, let's... Okay, this might be game here already. Which would be very funny. Because everyone and their mother was hating on me because I drafted Staraptor. He's a bad Pokemon, shut the fuck up. Is it bad? Oh no, wait. This thing is way too healthy for me to do this. This thing is way too healthy for me to do this. Braveheart doesn't kill you. But we live one more rock switch in. So... Okay. We have to play this smart here. How much do you do to Hoopa? Hoopa Unbound. Earthquake does way too much damage. Okay. Do we risk it with... I think we risk it with Claw here. Ah, the Tinglu being so healthy really spiting us. And me just throwing away Lando for no reason. That was so dumb of me. That was so fucking dumb of me. Okay, he ruinates though. He ruinates. That's good. Because we live that. So we see the whole set here. Nation 2, Earthquake 1, okay. I'm gonna Roost here, obviously. And stall some TP. I don't know if I beat this 1v1. It's really annoying that this thing was so healthy. really annoying that this thing was so healthy. But this battle is going way better than I expected it to. Anyway, so... Fine. Fine. We just need to get this thing to the point, but because if I body press this now and withdraws, out comes what? Renly the Great Friend. Oh, the monkey comes out. Monkey. Finds my Ockerberry, which is unfortunate. Okay, but that might have just given us the turn we needed. That might have just given us the turn we needed, boys and girls. Because I just... Do I defog here to make Raptor not take rocks anymore? I'm gonna roost first, but defogging might be a play later on. Defogging might be the play later on. Just to save Raptor's PP a bit. Parting shots me, alright. Monkey Dory with the momentum. Parting shot. We see that now. If the Manaphy comes out here, I'm just gonna have to bring in the Jolteon hard. Like, don't like it. It's gonna have to happen. It's going to have to happen. Fanatio, the Shining Star. That is the Manaphy. Okay, this is where we lose the game. Because Manaphy's dumb. How much does Jolteon take from an unboosted attack? Half. Okay. So I have to go Jolt here. I have to go Jolt here and pray you don't sub. But judging by the way you brought this in, it's sub. Hail Glow. Okay. We force you to swap at least. We force you to swap at least. Also, no G-Zap, I just noticed that. Yeah. I have to click Thunderbolt here. Even though the Tinglu switch in is the most obvious fucking switch in the world, I have to do it. He stays in. And lives it. Are we dead? Alright, okay. That hurts. Had we had rocks up there, we would have lived. Scarf Hooper outpaces you though. Which is always fun, because -1, yeah, you should be at neutral. So Hooper outspeeds you here. Okay. And I think I just clicked Drain Punch here. No point in hyperspacing, no point in headbutting. I want to cover for the Tinglu switch after. If we kill Manaphy here, that's fucking great. Yeah, Rocks would have just killed this. Rocks would have just murdered this. It has Endure? Wow. It has Endure. Why? Don't even know if I'm Scarf now. Okay. We kill Manaphy, that's good. That's a massive threat gone. What's left? The Ogerpon is left still, and we have no switch in for that. Not good, lads, not good. No! Come on. Come on. Alright. I'm gonna have to sort this out. We may see each other in the next video. I don't know. I don't know what happens here. See you around.